Don't try this at home, turning your bike on and running it while it's on the stand. I'm a dummy. Dummies do things like this. And there you have it. The HealTech standalone quick shifter. What's going on, people? Dark Place here, and I'm gonna do a quick review for the HealTech quick shifter. This is a standalone Bluetooth system that you buy from HealTech, and it implements quick shifting. 2 pieces came with it. One was the harness kit for the module, and then the quick shifter alone. Basic instructions on how to do it. And so it was. But nevertheless, the part that I find interesting in this system was the app that you have to download on your phone, which was Apple and Android compatible. Once you cut your bike on, the Bluetooth connects to the system, and from there you just basically set up everything. And when you cut it on, it gives a 4-digit code which you have to put into the app so that your phone can read the system. This is the setup. Once you get the know-how, which is basic, it's so easy. Once you set it up, I mean, from there it's just a cakewalk. You have the bypass mode also if you just want to go to your standard shifting, which I don't see why you would want to do that after you get this. But yeah, 45 minutes, people. 45 minutes. If somebody knows what they're doing, it might be 30. HealTech. Basically, go online, HealTech.com, put in your bike, and they will send you the system that is needed to make your bike run. This is everything. $318. No cutting, no splicing. It's just that simple. Here is the coupling. It is a pressure system that goes to your arm, and the pressure activates the quick shifter. Oh, and by the way, it's up and down, up and down. R1 cut on the system, and he was trying it out, and he found out that the system was up and down. So I don't know, GP, I forgot what it is, but that's just, that just about sums it up. HealTech, I recommend it. Get it.